guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today's video is going to be a little night routine, just like a chill night in my life. It's currently a Thursday. I have pretty much spent the whole day just working. I got a video edited, filmed a TikTok and posted that, but it is now 6 o'clock exactly, so it's time to wind down for the day. I'm about to make dinner. Real Housewives of New York comes back tonight. I'm so excited. I need a show to watch. That's not on until 9, I think, but I'm excited. It's not gonna be the same without Bethany, but like I'm still gonna watch, obviously. Like I said, I'm about to make dinner. I actually did go grocery shopping this morning. I went at like 9 in the morning, first thing when they opened. I was running very low on food, but I stocked up today, so now I have lots of fresh food to make meals with, which is good. I think for dinner tonight, I'm gonna make some fajitas with like chicken, red pepper, onion, cheese. Bring you guys over to the kitchen. I have to kind of work with the chicken that I got because they were out of like all of the meat at the grocery store. The only chicken I could get is this like pre-cooked packaged chicken, so it's not ideal, but hopefully if I season it and stuff, it'll taste good in the fajitas. So I'm gonna get started cooking. Finished up dinner and cleaned the kitchen up a little bit, did the dishes. I try to always do the dishes right after dinner just so they don't sit there. Also, the fajitas turned out really good, by the way. I was very impressed with myself. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take my makeup off and do my nighttime skincare routine. It's still early, it's like 7:30 I think, but once I'm done doing everything that I need to do for the day, I like to just take my makeup off if I had any on that day and just like be comfy for as long as I can. Just using some micellar water to take my makeup off. Just changed into pajamas and put my little headband on because I'm gonna do a face mask. What mask do I want to do today? I just got this mask from Innisfree. It's the pore clearing clay mask. I've never tried it before, but I really like this brand for skincare. Obviously I don't do a face mask every single night, but I've been doing them a lot more lately during quarantine just because I feel like a little extra self-care wouldn't hurt anything. I just got off FaceTime with Madison. We just talked for a little bit. I just wanted to talk about how important it is right now to reach out to your friends and family and just like stay connected with people. I live alone, so It's been a little bit hard during this quarantine just because I'm literally by myself. It's just me and Kitty, which obviously I chose to live alone and I like being alone, but it's just different when you're forced to be alone, and like I can't just go out with my friends or go to dinner with someone or just be out socializing. So I've definitely made it a point to stay connected with my friends and my family. I call my parents pretty much every day. I will FaceTime with my friends, text them, and even people that I don't talk to on a regular basis, I've just been reaching out to, or they've been reaching out to me just to check in, because it's such a stressful time right now. It's really important to make sure everyone in your life is doing okay and feels supported. So definitely check in on your friends and your family, call them. It'll make their day a little bit better. I have about 30 minutes until Real Housewives. I think since it's a Housewives premiere, that means I should pour myself a glass of wine, right? I think so. A Pinot Grigio is very appropriate for Real Housewives. Hi guys, I just got into bed. The Housewives just ended. I feel like it's actually going to be a really good season. I'm not sure how I feel about the new girl yet, but I think she seems cool and funny, so we will see. But it's a little bit after 10 o'clock right now, and I'm going to head to bed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is what a pretty typical night in my life looks like. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and comment down below what videos you guys want to see from me. I love you all so much, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.